Hello and welcome to question 25 of the AQA GCSE Specimen paper. This is the non-calculator paper on the new style GCSEs. Right, so we've got the function f of x equals 2x plus c, g of x equals cx plus 5, and the composition of f, or f composed g of x, is 6x plus d. C and d are constants. Work out the value of d. Okay, so I suppose the first thing we need to do is compose these two functions and see what we get. Okay, so f g, or f composed g of x is equal to f of g of x. Which is equal to, so what we're basically doing, where we see x in f of x, we put whatever g of x is. So f of x starts with 2, and that goes, and that's multiplied by x, but instead of multiplying by x, we're multiplying by g of x. So that's 2 into cx plus 5, which is our g of x, so that's 2x plus c. So we just add c to the end of that. And that's done. So I suppose the sensible thing to do now is to multiply out those brackets. So that is equal to 2cx plus 10 plus c. Okay, and we're told that that is equal to 6x plus d. So this is equal to 6x plus d. Now, c and d are constants, so we can treat the c as a constant, it's not a variable. So we can combine like terms here, or rather we can compare like terms. This is 2cx, and this is 6x, and this is 10 plus c, and this is d. So since these two are equivalent, that means that the two things we can say is that 2c, if 2cx is equal to 6x, then 2c is equal to 6. And the other thing we can say is 10 plus c, those are all constants, is equal to the constant d. So we can also say that 10 plus c is equal to d. Well, we can easily solve for c here. C is equal to 6 over 2, which is 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to d. So d is equal to 13. And what it asks us to do is to work out the value of d, so we're not worrying about c. We needed c to get d, but we don't have to write down d. So the answer is simply 13. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.